Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation. And here is today's quote. This is your Sunday reminder that you can handle whatever next week throws at you. Hello, Sunday. This is just a little reminder that really, whatever comes your way next week, whatever you need and have to face, you really can and will be able to take on whatever next week brings you. Until all that comes, you can just sit back and enjoy your Sunday while it's here. Tomorrow is, after all, just another day.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.